Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to make money on YouTube without monetization. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need to rely solely on AdSense or brand deals to earn income from your YouTube channel. So let's dive in. Method 1. Affiliate marketing. One of the most popular ways to make money on YouTube without monetization is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services in your videos and including special affiliate links in your video descriptions. When your viewers click on these links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Remember, it's crucial to only promote products you genuinely believe in and that are relevant to your content niche. Method 2. Crowdfunding. Another great way to generate income on YouTube is through crowdfunding platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi. These platforms allow your loyal fans to support your channel financially by making monthly contributions or one-time donations. In return, you can offer exclusive perks such as behind-the-scenes content, personalized shoutouts, or early access to your videos. Building a strong community around your channel is key for successful crowdfunding. Method 3. Merchandise sales. If you have a dedicated fan base, selling merchandise can be a profitable venture. Create your own branded products like t-shirts, hats, or stickers, and sell them through online platforms like Teespring or Redbubble. Promote your merchandise in your videos and make it easy for your viewers to find and purchase them. Engage with your audience to understand what they'd like to see on your merchandise and be creative with your designs. Method 4. Sponsored content. While this method is technically monetization, it's not dependent on YouTube's partner program. You can collaborate with brands for sponsored content, where they pay you to feature or review their products in your videos. When working with sponsors, maintain transparency with your audience. Make sure you believe in the product or service you're promoting and clearly disclose any sponsored content to maintain trust. Remember, making money on YouTube without monetization is all about diversifying your income streams. Explore multiple methods that align with your content and audience, and don't rely solely on AdSense. Be patient, persistent, and focus on providing value to your viewers. That's it for today's video, folks. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments which method you're most interested in trying out. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Please make sure to research and adhere to YouTube's policies and guidelines, as well as any applicable laws and regulations when implementing these methods.